In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix rental listing expiration notification in Zillow 2026 full guide. If your inbox is getting cluttered with rental listing expiration alerts, or you just want tighter control over what Zillow sends you, I'll walk you through a simple way to fine-tune or turn off those notifications using either the website or the mobile app. Start by opening Zillow. On your phone, launch the app. On a computer, go to Zillow.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use for your searches and saved homes. In the top right, tap or click your profile icon to open the menu, then choose Account Settings. This takes you to your main dashboard where all your preferences live. Next, head to the Notifications section. Sometimes you may see it labeled as Subscriptions, but it's the same place where alerts are managed. Here's a helpful tip. The app is best for managing push notifications that appear on your device, while email settings are most reliably adjusted in a web browser. If you're trying to stop emails specifically, consider switching to the website for this part. If you only want to stop certain messages, like those rental listing expiration notices, edit them individually. Look for categories such as saved searches, saved homes, or similar options related to listing updates. Click Edit next to the category you use for rentals. Within that category, turn the setting to off or toggle the switch off. Then confirm by selecting Apply or Save so your changes stick. This approach keeps other useful alerts intact while silencing the ones you don't need. If you'd prefer total quiet, you can disable everything at once. At the top of the notifications page, find the master option to turn off all notifications. Select it, and when the confirmation prompt appears, choose turn off all notifications to finalize. This is great if you're taking a break from searching or you want a clean slate without digging into individual categories. A quick heads up, changes aren't always instant. Zillow notes it can take up to 24 hours for the system to fully process your request. During that window, a few messages may still come through. After a day, you should notice the alerts have stopped or reflect your new preferences. You can return to the same settings anytime to re-enable alerts or tweak categories as your search evolves. And that's it. You now have full control over your Zillow alerts, keeping your search organized and your inbox clean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.